Hi everyone! Let's make this advent calendar. First, I took this white paper and taped it down. Then I filled up this page with lots of watercolor dots. Then I connected all the dots, and honestly, this part was very satisfying. Then I used this toothbrush to make some stars. Then I used acrylic paint to make some more stars. Now that painting is done, I removed the tape. Then I took a piece of A4 size paper and cut out a small piece. Then I folded it like so, kind of like a fan, to create the tree. Next, I took these small strips of paper to create some tiny origami stars. But first, I wrote an affirmation and a self-care activity on each of them. I also made this origami Christmas star, which I'm going to glue on first, and then glue the remaining mini stars. I made a total of 24 mini stars, arranged them, and glued them onto the artwork. Then I used a golden pen to write down all the dates and add some extra details. Then I took a piece of cardboard, added some glue, and glued this on the back of this artwork. And it's ready! I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, have fun, and Merry Christmas!